is that we will take some moong dal, and then I've taken 1 cup of moong dal. Now we will soak it in water for 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Need 2 green chilies, garlic, ginger, carrot, some coriander, and half of the red onion. So we are gonna pulse all the stuff in the food processor. I'm taking half onion and carrot and some nice green coriander, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 green chilies. So now we are quickly gonna pulse everything together. And we need a very fine consistency. Let's see how fine it is. So I think it's like this thing, just perfect. So we had soaked the moong dal and it's been 5 minutes. You can see it looks nice now. So now we will just grind it. We're gonna put this in the grinder. So I have this very good food processor which serves the purpose very well. We can use it for grinding, dicing and everything. So let's just put this. And what I do is that I also add some ginger. We'll also put some cumin seeds. It's 1.5 cumin seeds. Now we'll start grinding. And then grind a bit, and after that, if the consistency is like this, then what I do is I also add oats to this. So I've taken 3/4 cup of oats here, and I'm gonna put it at this point in this, and then we'll grind some more. So yeah, so we will look at the consistency of it. So it's a bit thick, the consistency right now, as you can see. So what we will do is we'll add some water. I think this much should be enough. And then we will continue the grinding. So you can see this consistency is perfect. We'll just pour it out. So now we have everything ready. We just need to mix it together. So we will add these pulsed vegetables first. Okay. And then we are going to add some spices. So we'll take some salt first. And some homemade garam masala. If you want to check the garam masala recipe, I will link it in the description. And then some turmeric. And then we are just going to mix everything together. Wow, look at that. It looks very good. Now you can see it's a bit, I think, thick according to me. So you can always add water later. I think, yeah, now it should be perfect. Yep. So this should be the consistency. It's perfect. Next, we will take a dosa pan and we will heat it. And then we'll sprinkle some water to test if it is hot enough or not. So once it is hot, we just pour the mixture that we made. So we'll take roughly 2 ladles, put it in the center, and then spread it out evenly starting from the center. As you can see, this is quite satisfying to spread it like this and then let it cook. We'll just put a bit of olive oil on the other side and then we flip it. And then after a while, the other side is also cooked. So we'll take it out on the plate and it's ready. This is how it looks like. And you can enjoy it with chutneys. Here we are having a coriander and amla chutney, and also there's coconut chutney. Enjoy!